I've come out with the new Sony HVR-A1J camera. I've got the shotgun microphone mounted onto the top, so hopefully this will be quite audible. It was windy, although there's a bit of wind. I'm going to do a bit of test footage. We're currently in HDV mode, so 1080i. The sun's just come out, so I think you can see me nice and clearly. You can see all the way over into the distance. I've also got my other Panasonic camera, so I'm going to try, since I've got the tripod, I'm going to try out the 600 times digital zoom. This one doesn't go as far as that, but it's a professional camcorder, so it's not going to. Let's have a wander around and see what we can do. I've just turned the microphone around, so it might be easier to hear me from the back of the camera. I'm zoomed all the way in there. You can see the wind turbines in the background. It's looking quite cloudy over there though, so you can't see as far as you normally would. But it has been raining, so it is a bit on the wet side. Just come down a slightly muddy slope to get down here. That's a slope, and it comes all the way down here. And then right across there we've got a lake. It's not actually a lake, I don't think. I'm not quite sure what it's called. Just taking the camera for a little run. I've got the tripod extended all the way. Now this area here actually used to be mines. It used to be used for mining. That closed a long time ago. I can't remember the date at which it closed, but it's been converted into something resembling a park. It's not really a park. I don't know what you'd call it. It's lots of trees and lots of grass, and there's something resembling a lake, and there's benches around. It's not really a park, but it's a nice area, and there's hardly anyone around actually at the moment, which makes it good for doing video tests. That's where I've just come from. The wind started again. Here's some swans. And here's what I refer to as the lake, although we're a bit wonky because I'm on wonky ground. That's a bit straighter. Got a nice depth of field effect there with the lens zoomed in on the grass. Now while we've just got something vaguely interesting to look at, I'm just going to try it in mini DV mode. Here's the swans again, this time in standard definition, widescreen. Although I've pointed the microphone the other way around now, so you might not hear me as well. I'll leave the swans to get on with whatever they're doing. I think they're having dinner. Right over there is where I've just come from, and I'm just going to turn the load. You get a better view from up here. Down there, there's some more people. We're now back in HDV mode, and I think the camera's a bit wonky. It's just super nice autumn colours. That's some wind turbines right over there. The sun's reflecting on them, but it looks very cloudy over there. There's a church. I can't remember which church that is. Right, I've just enabled the 40 times digital zoom, so let's see how far we can get into the church with that. Yeah, you can see it, but the quality's not very good. Sonic setup on the tripod. The orange bit over there is the Blackburn Meadows power station. That's near to Meadow Hall shopping centre. And you can just about in the distance see the M1 on the Tinsley Viaduct. That's a view of the steelworks from up here, a bit higher up. And we move around here, and somewhere around there is Parkgate Retail World. And there we're moving into Rotherham and Sheffield. Nearly at the top.